I'm happy to be here. I do
非常
want
之
this
開心，今日
keep
係
these
呢
presentations
度
to be
嚇。
very one way, very one directional.
咁啊，有時咧，我哋
Any of
做
you
呢
have
啲咁嘅
questions,
講解
I would
咧，係
like this
大
presentation
聲
to
大
be as
聲。
short as possible. But all you have questions, who
咁啊
have
咧，我想
questions
咧
here,
今日咧就係
I
盡
will
量
be
保持咧，
doing
我哋
it
就
as
簡短
fast as
啲
possible.
嚇，因為我想咧大家可能有問題，多
My
啲
name is
空間啊，
Andreas.
俾
I'm a
大家
business
啲時間去問
immigration
問題。
attorney in Oakland and in San Francisco.
咁啊，
I've been working with LCCRSF now
我哋
for
從
a few years.
LCCRSF 咧，我哋又已經
Primarily
合
as
作
an
幾年嘅
underwriting
時間㗎
designer.
啦嚇。
I mean, they have great staff, but I'm also aligned with their values,
而且咧，
which
我
is
我都好
racial, economic,
即係
and
好贊同
immigrant
佢哋個價值觀，
immigration justice. I
而且
believe
咧
that
同佢哋一樣
by
咧，都係支持
empowering
咧，係
diverse members
為咗我哋
of our
個移民嘅
community,
正義
and I
係
think
做
LCCRSF
爭取
shares
㗎
this
嚇。
with me. We in turn we contribute to a better, well-rounded community and
而
a
且咧，我
stronger
哋就
society.
大家都係要為我哋有一個全面嘅完善嘅
LCCRSF
社
is a
區去做出
values
貢獻。
resource with very strong
LCCRSF 咧
staff
係一個非
and
常
for
之好
all
嘅
the
組織，對
entrepreneurs
大家嚟講咧都係一個非常之好嘅
wanting
資源，
to improve your business or expand your
就可以
business
幫助
and
咧你
if
係可以改
there's
進咧，
questions, I
或者
encourage you to
係
reach out
擴
and
大
I
你個
can go into it.
商業嘅嚇。
So usually we would hold this type of workshop
通常咧，我哋希望呢個咁樣
for
嘅研
who are
討會咧
looking
嚇。
to form or draft a transition plan in general, which is
咁
very
啊咧就係
important
要幫你
for
哋，就
any
係提
entrepreneur
供點樣
to
做
do
一
this.
個過渡嘅計劃嚇。因為我哋都係創業嘅
Usually
人
we
啦。
do this when a business owner
咁啊咧，有時咧我哋嘅呢啲培訓咧係
incapacitated
俾嗰啲商業嘅
or
嗰
they
個
or
業
dead
主
and no
嚇。
longer in the
或者
business.
佢係唔知
But
發生咩事啦嚇，可能
this
咧
particular workshop today
又
is
可能係
within the
冇能力再
context
持
of
續去運營佢
immigration
個生意。
and certain entrepreneurs
今日咧，
may feel
我哋可以
unsafe
點樣做咧？可以將呢個
because
生意咧係
the
好，
current
即係無縫銜接嘅，好即係順利嘅，可
climate
以過渡到
in
另外一
immigration.
個商
The
業或者係
objective
另
is
外一
a
個
very aggressive
業主嗰個人嘅手上邊咧，特別
approach
係我哋嗰
to
啲
the
移民
investment
嘅嗰啲商
process
業嚇。
toward the immigrant communities and whose only crime really is just being here without authorization. These are
係啊，
entrepreneurs
咁
who
啊，特別係
have
我哋嗰啲無證
formed
嘅嗰
businesses
個
like
移民咧，
yourselves
其
who
實佢
are
對佢哋嚟
contributing to
講係好唔公平
society
嘅。佢哋唯一
and
個
they
錯
have
咧就係佢
families
哋住喺呢
they
度係
do
冇
have
證嘅
families
嚇。
but they have formed a life here and they're looking to they're contributing to social security they're contributing to
咁
their
啊咧，
communities
佢哋咧係
and
佢哋喺呢度為咗我哋個社區做貢
we
獻，
want to
佢哋又
ensure
為咗社會
through
安
this
全金做貢
workshop
獻。
that first of all that you feel empowered to do something
咁我哋
in
希望咧
case
都
you
可以
know the work
我哋都
happens
提
which is
供
you
呢
know
啲
obviously
咁嘅研討會
to
咧，俾
reach
你
out
增
and
長知識，
work on your
幫
goals
你俾你咧知
there's
道
a
咧你有
whole
啲咁嘅
different
資
course
源
that
嚇。
deal with that there's a whole different sort of educational body as to how to deal with your civil rights and all of you have civil rights but for the context of this workshop we're going to be talking about business transition
所以咧，
or
今日嘅
business
我哋嘅研討會咧，就係 關
transition
於我哋
plans
嘅商業嘅咁
for
嘅過渡計劃嚇。
entrepreneurs whose status may be somewhat in limbo. Okay.
就係專門俾呢
So
個創業者嘅嚇。
disclaimer, every
咁啊咧，
entrepreneur
我每一個
each
創業嘅人
person
咧，
has a unique set of facts.
因為我哋每一個人咧
of
都
their
係有
business.
好多即係獨一無二嘅我哋自
This
己嘅情
presentation
況嚇。
is intended
咁啊，呢一個講
for
解咧，
informational purposes only.
呢個真係
To
俾
give
大
you
家
a
提供啲信息
general
嚇，
overview
即係
of
會俾
some
你大家咧
key
係一個
tools
概況、一
that
個
we
總體
believe
嘅一個
I
即係
personally
概
as
述，
an entrepreneur should
並唔可以代表話我哋提供任何法律
business
上邊嘅意見嚇。
strategies that can just put you in a position to succeed.
希望可以俾大家咧
But for
有一啲
personal
策略咧
experience,
去幫助你咧
we
可以
certainly
成功嘅。
encourage you to speak to a qualified attorney or to reach out to a staff member or to LCCRSF.
咁如果你仲
and
有
they
咩
can
你有咩
please
問題
provide
嘅話咧，
you
你就
with
可以啊
advice that you need.
去聯絡我哋
If you're
LCCSF
looking for
嘅
advice for
嗰
your
個
specific
工作人
business,
員嚇，
please speak to someone, an attorney or LCCRSF for that.
或者係我哋 LCCSF RSF 咧仲
So
可以提
let's
供
get
法律
started.
上邊嘅服務㗎吓。
These presentations can sometimes
咁啊，呢啲咁嘅
feel like
講
you're
解咧，
drinking water out of a fire hose. There's just so much
可能咧
information.
有時咧你會覺得係一個喺消防器裏邊去飲水嘅，係因為咧
The reality is
時間會俾你好多嘅信息吓，但係唔緊要嘅。
family members, your business owners, you have
咁啊，有啲嗰啲家庭成員咧，或者係我哋嘅商業業主咧，
here today is to not complicate your lives with
即
legal
係希望咧
names.
唔可以將我哋嘅生活咧，
To
即係
simplify
太
your
過
lives
即係
by
過分嘅複雜
giving
化，
you a very simple, basic overview of
可以俾你一個
tools
好簡單
that
嘅
are
一
available to you.
個俾你哋知道咧，你係
Just
有
so
一
you know
個
they exist. And if you want to pursue or one of these tools or to learn more about it, then you can go ahead and speak to LCCRSF or an attorney. Okay. So, and obviously I'm here to
如
answer
果
some
你需要
questions
任何
as
法
we
律
get
上
to
邊
that.
嘅
But
幫助嘅話咧，你又去
I'm going to
LCCRSF
share
咧
a
揾嗰個律師去幫你手。
basic PowerPoint presentation that I created and
好，
this
咁
and
啊咧，
this
我哋
is
有一個非常之簡單嘅一個講解哈，一個
right, actually,
PowerPoint。
I'm not great with presentations, but this should be I don't know if you guys are able to see this or not.
好，唔知道你哋可唔可以睇得到咧吓？
To be in presenter mode, yeah, there you go.
Perfect. Okay. So again, very basic tools. Okay, guys. I just want you guys to understand what they are, and then we can get into the specifics. I can show you examples of what a power of attorney looks like.
好，今日咧，我哋依家咧可以咧開始同你講咧，
business succession looks like.
即係
My experience that I can show you all those things all day long.
我可以講一日嘅時間啊，俾你講咁多嘢， 但係咧，我覺得對你嚟講咧，並係冇咩幫助。所以咧，我就只不過係講俾你聽，呢個係點樣去運作咧，仲更加好吓。
Everyone should have at least a power of attorney, okay, specifically related to your business.
好嘅，係你個商業方面咧，我覺得咧係你每一個人咧都係咧需要一個叫做 power of attorney 嘅吓，你記得英文叫做 power attorney， 中文咧叫做授權書，係一個書面嘅文件咧，授權他人代表你採取行動或做出決定嘅。呢個可能係為咗處理你嘅財務或者福利咧吓個事宜嘅。
For good management of a business, or what we call good governance of a business. Two, revocable trust, that can be optional.
書嚟嘅吓。
What is a power of attorney for businesses? And I'm just going to read this with you, and then we can discuss it. Okay. These are very simple definitions. So
呢啲係有非常之簡單嘅一啲定義嚟嘅吓，即係一個授權書。 係因為你要一個你信得過嘅人嚟幫你咧，係管理你嘅生意。如果你係霎時間係唔得閒嘅，或者係叫做 ICE 就係嗰個移民啊，同埋海關執法局啊，將你拉咗去啊。今日咧，如果你係有一份叫做 Power of Attorney， 即係話你個授權書嘅話咧，你可以已經係叫個人咧個授權咗嗰個人咧嚟幫你管理你個生意噶啦吓。 授權書咧，其實咧講實在嚟講咧，其實係算簡單噶吓。 今日咧呢個人咧係你可能只係可以係一個人，或者你可以係多個人嘅。 可能就係我委派我呢個信得過，即係指定我信得過嘅某某人吓，作為一個我個代理人，或者係作為我嘅，或者我一個律師，佢作為我個代理人。
but they act as your attorney in fact, or they can act as your agent to transact certain business, right? I authorize this person to act
梗係
as
咧，但
an
係
agent
其實個 agent 咧同埋嗰個 attorney in fact 其實一樣，都叫做代理人嚇。咁啊，佢哋咧有即係由我授權俾佢哋。我希望嗰個人咧係幫助我管理我個生意。
Three independent valuators if it's a really expensive business.
如果係一個比較昂貴嘅生意嘅話咧，你係可以叫佢哋即係話需要第三方咧係幫你咧去評估你個生意㗎嚇。
Different agencies require different breadths of power of attorney. Okay, different requirements, specificities, right? And so you need to name somebody to act as your
好，咁啊，
agent.
你一定要咧係要命名嗰個人，或者係指定一個一定人嘅名。咁啊咧，你去講俾佢哋聽，佢哋有權力具體嘅去做啲乜嘢嘅事。咁啊，仲有公證嚇。
On your behalf of a
特別係咧，係如果係嗰啲人咧，嗰啲代理嘅人，你指定嘅代理人咧，係要管理你所有財務上邊嘅嘢嚇，特別係上嗰啲銀行啊嗰啲嘢咧，佢哋係特別注重咧，知道有咩嘢具體嘅，你以後委派嗰個代理人去做嘅嚇。你仲要第兩個咧係即係嗰個證人啊，你要公證，你要證人，你仲有講，我覺得點解係重要嘅？如果你係冇咁樣個代理權咧，你根本就唔知道如果發生咩事，你管理唔到你嘅生意嘅話咧，你都唔知道邊個到時可以幫你去處理你生意上邊嘅事啦。如果你係有個如果你有個小朋友，譬如講你有3個小朋友，你只有一個好識做生意嘅嚇。咁樣咧，所以咧，你要將所有嘅問責制度、所有嘅責任、所有嘅嗰啲嘢咧，你都要講得好清楚、好具體，邊個幫你，邊個係授權嘅代理人係做任何嘢嚇。咁啊，你係要做呢個授權人咧，你要做啲乜嘢咧？你一定係要或者你可以成立一個LLC 嚇。
That person is going to act on behalf of the business, what's best for the business. So you need to state here, what is the power of attorney for?
咁樣咧，有你睇到咧，佢話呢個係叫做你要我個授權人你做乜嘢咧？咁啊，你要寫清楚學啱啱喺寫下。
Partners in a business.
咁啊，呢個受託人咧，佢哋係有一個信託嘅責任。
And are they going to get along, the other partner and the person?
而且咧，如果係你個生意嘅話咧，如果你個生意佢可以咁樣講，佢哋如果有伙伴嘅話咧，佢係要同意。唔係話只係要最好嘅朋友就得。咁啊，如果你唔可以處理你商業嘅嘢，你受指定嘅嗰個授權去幫你處理嗰個人咧，都要同你嘅由生意上嘅伙伴咧都要夾埋，或者都要合得嚟先得。我哋每一個人咧都可以自己可以去做呢個委託書嘅嚇。其實唔係好難。但係咧，如果你真去揾到一個律師咧，佢真正嘅可以幫到你嚇，可以幫你咧確切嘅係寫你個具體嘅信息。
franchise in the East Bay
咁啊，如果有一個人咧，佢係譬如講
The
舉個例
business
子嚇，佢
itself
有一個
is
燒
only sitting at
烤
the
嘅，
table
係
to
啊，東
share
灣
the
嚇。
assets of the
咁啊，呢
business,
個
but
咧，
normally the
呢個生意咧，佢可能
buyers
有
and
台啦，有
sellers
爐頭啊，有凳
of
啊，
the
嗰啲係
intellectual
佢嘅。
property
但係咧，佢嘅
sought to
誒
have the sauces, the specific sauces, that's valuable stuff. So do you want
嗯
them to have access to that?
咁啊，
Maybe, or
嗰
maybe
啲
you just
係
want them to
咁啊，
manage
除
their
咗
kitchen
佢個產權
until
嗰個
the
凳啊、
next
台
day
啊、
you are able to come and say,
煲
okay,
啊嗰啲
so
嘢之外
I'll
咧，
give you
佢
this.
仲有知識產權噶嘛？佢哋叫做 intellectual property 嚇。個
But
知
like
識
that,
產權咧，譬如
so
講佢做嘅係特別
maybe
嘅
it's
嗰
your
個燒烤
CPA,
醬
maybe
啊，或者係點
your
啊？
CPA
咁啊，你呢
will
個
say
你
you
個你
have
覺
this
得你個授
property and
權
this
人咧，
person,
你
is going to be outside
是
of
否
this.
係可以擁有
And then this is
個
really
知識
important.
產權咧？所以咧，當
When does this
整到一個
power
委
of
託書
attorney
嘅時候
become
咧，佢
effective?
可以係好簡單，亦可以係好複雜，
Usually it's
所以咧
power
最
of
好係揾
attorney
呢個律
comes to
師係
say,
幫你嘅。
I grant these powers to this
咁啊咧，
person effective on this date. And this power is only revocable if I draft a superseding document
咁啊，你話咧，我授予
that
此人
revokes
下屬
this
嘅權力，
power.
自即日起生效，
So
除
when does it
咗
become
我，
effective?
除非我可以
So this
再寫一
particular
份咁樣
case
嘅
of document
委託書，咁啊呢個
documentation
人咧會一
could be
直
removed from
都
the
係
country.
被
One of the
我授權
considerations
咧
when there is a
係有
complaint is does it
下面
become
呢啲權力
effective?
嘅嚇。
Does it spring into action when something happens? Maybe it's not effective today. Maybe it's effective when something happens.
咁啊，你可以
When
定個日
the
期咧，
person
唔係話一
is
定係今日或者你寫
certain.
委託書嘅嗰個日
So when
期，
you need
或者
a
係啊
retention
你
order,
未來嘅某一
you
日，或
need
者
to get
係
a
你話
detention
係
order,
某件
and
事
that
情發
person
生
goes
話，
to
當你
your
係唔可以再繼續
designee,
管
right?
理個
Gets
生
that
意嘅
order
時
and
候，
says, look, this is now effective. And then that person then has to draft a declaration saying, I have
咁
been
啊咧，
designated to be a agent of Mr. whomever or
咁啊
Mrs.
咧，
whomever.
嗰個受
And
託
this
人咧，
taking power of attorney.
佢有
Once
時都
this
可以要
is
發
obtained
一
the
個
power of attorney,
聲
this
明
only
嚇。
becomes effective when this person becomes detained or
咁啊呢個人
removed
咧，
or
或者
whatever.
佢當佢被
This
警
becomes
察
effective when this person
拉咗
starts,
去，
and
或者
then
係
only
佢
then is
冇
it effective.
能力再
That complicates
管理佢
the
個生意嘅
way
時候咧，咁啊呢個受委託嘅人咧，佢就可以
my
出一份聲明，
recommendation
就話我係被
is
指派嘅委
that
託
you
人嚇。
consider
咁啊咧，
this
佢之
effective
前
on
咧
this basis.
有
I
寫一份
have the
嗰個
record
委
of
託
what it
書，
says. Make
咁
it
啊咧
effective
係
now.
授予
And
我
you
咧
can
以
see
下
in the
啲權力
statement
自
that maybe you
佢
have
被
this and you
即係
can
關
tell
押
some
或者逮
business
捕嗰一日
if
就
you're listing that
起
business, you
生
can
效。
get that document. And also make a reminder to yourself that
咁啊咧，你都
someone
可以
listed this document
提
as
醒你
well.
自己嚇，
Maybe your best friend whom you trusted today
或者你當時
may not be
信
around
得
to
過
remember
嘅
that.
嗰個人， 你
So
係
maybe
寫
that
係
person is
授
no
權人，
longer
但係咧，
in terms.
第二年咧情況有變，佢唔再係你嘅好朋友，或者佢已經唔喺度，或者你可以即係如果有人咧一早已經寫好咗呢個委託書嘅話咧，每隔一段時間咧就要睇下呢上邊所有嗰啲信息咧是否都係最更新㗎嚇。
comes to your home, knocks on the door, and gives you what's called a notice to appear. Says you have to appear. We're going to take you into custody.
咁啊
And
咧，
the bond
如果咧係 ICE 即係移民同埋海關執法局咧嚟到你嗰度咧，咁啊佢話你一定要出去法庭咧嚇，
and then you have to deal with that, or maybe sorry, notice to appear, or maybe you're
咁啊
just
佢叫通知你要出現喺移民法庭嗰度
So
咧，
when does it become effective? You have to speak to someone about when it does. And like I
咁啊
said,
咧
it becomes
你
complicated because
咁啊你話咁啊
detained,
如果我有一份委託書嘅話咧，呢個委託書嘅生效日期係幾時咧？咁啊你就要去揾呢個律師去商討一下，確切嘅具體嘅嗰個生效日
that's the
期
power
啦。
of attorney.
呢個咧就係我哋啱啱講嘅委託書
If
嚇。
you really feel that your situation is at risk and you are at risk of being
如果你覺得咧，
detained,
你個即係
you should
你覺
probably
得你
have
依家咧比較係
Okay.
高風險嘅咧，我覺即係好強烈嘅
So your questions for the power of attorney.
推薦你咧，
Okay. Second thing,
有一個
this
嚇。
is called a revocable trust. This is the second tool.
咁啊，第一個我哋講完啦，係一個委託書。第二個咧，佢叫做 revocable trust， 叫做可撤銷嘅信
It has
託。
special power of attorney. Oh, by the way, when I say power of attorney for business purposes, I'm referring to something called special power of attorney or a limited power of attorney.
咁啊咧
It's
叫
not
做
a general power of attorney.
唔係一
So
個
a person
總體
when
㗎
they're
嚇，
given this
呢個
power of
power
attorney,
of attorney
they're
咧
not
其
limited
實係
to
叫
just
做
for example,
limited， 其實咧係就係限有限制嘅
let's say
嚇
a。medical, whether to pull the plug in case you suffer a
唔係話
stroke
你被
or
人你中風啦，
you're
要
in
搶
a
救啦，
hospital bed,
到最
then maybe
尾
this
係
is
掹
or
管啊，係邊個啊？
related to
嗰
a
啲
medical
係唔
case
係嘅，
other
唔
than
係話你
medical
授權俾呢個人咧，
so
呢個人係可以做
that's
所
a
有嘅嘢，
limited
只不過係你
power
個
of attorney.
你規定嘅，或者你委託佢做嘅具體嘅嗰啲
Durable
權力，
power
佢先可以有嚇。
or a general power of attorney. Special, limited. Okay, that's what we're looking for, just for business purposes. Revocable trust, more sophisticated. Like I said, this is a legal tool
好啦，今日咧
that allows
我
you to
可
transfer
撤銷
ownership
信託咧 revocable
of your
trust 咧，都係
business
有都係一個
and
法律
other
上邊
assets
嘅工具嚇。
into a basket we call a trust.
今日咧我哋
And
有
you
樣嘢叫
control
做
it while
信
you're
託，
alive. So
咁啊係你
maybe
在
your
生嘅
your
時候咧，
business
我
is
哋
not
係
closed
有
anymore
控制或者係管
right
理
now
佢啊。
in your life. Maybe you have a collection of of cars, classic cars.
或者咧你可能
Maybe
有
you
好
have
多
a
嗰啲
home,
古典車，
a single family home where
或
you
者你
stay.
有一間獨
Maybe
立
you
嘅
have
別墅，
a timeshare. And
或者
then
你係
you
有同人
have
哋
a
共享嘅
vacation
度
home, a
假屋，
cabin, or you have a collection of stamps
或
that
者
is
你係有
worth
收集嗰啲郵票，
whatever, $150,000. Maybe you
或者
have
係價值有15
retirement
萬，
401ks. Those
或
are
者你係
routine
有
assets. You
401k。
know who the beneficiaries are. So
咁啊，你要
this is
知
a
道咧，你
legal
嗰啲嘅受益
but
人係邊個，
maybe you have a savings account.
或者你係
Maybe
一個
you
儲
have
蓄
Bitcoin.
賬戶，或者甚至乎係
All of those
比特
assets
幣。
will be placed in
咁
what
呢
is
所
called
有
a
嘅資
revocable
產咧，
trust.
我哋都可以將
All
佢
your
擠入
eggs
叫
in
做
one
個可
basket,
撤銷信
okay,
託嘅，
including
就
your
好似擠
business.
喺一個籃裏邊嚇，
So
包括你嘅生意。
and the person in how is it formed? It's formed
咁啊，點樣
you're
可
called
以
the settlor,
建立咧？
okay, or the trustor, and then you designate a
咁啊，你咧，
trustee, someone who you trust, or again another person whom you trust,
你
right?
咧係叫做委託人。咁啊，你要就要去揾一個受託人嚇，委託人叫做 trustor， 受託人咧叫做
And then you designate a
trustee，OK？
beneficiary. That
咁啊咧，
that
你都
beneficiary could be you,
你可以
okay,
就
or
再
someone
建
else.
立一個咧
Maybe
叫
you if
做
you're not
受益人。
if you're not around or whatnot, okay? And that property is conveyed to the trust. So, and the trust involved, if the trust involves real property, then you should get it recorded. And the short end of it, guys, is if you guys are going to put all of your assets in a
如果你將你
revocable
所有嘅
trust,
財產
you
咧
should
揸入
go
個
with
可撤銷信託咧，
with a lawyer.
你一定係要
who's
喺一個律
very
師個
savvy
幫助
with
之下咧，先可以做到㗎。
business, and you can do it yourself. But this is one of those tools where you have to seek an attorney. Yeah, an attorney's advisor.
呢個係一個法律上邊嘅工具咧，你係可以要係一個律師嘅幫助之下咧去做嘅。
in your name only, and you're detained, or you
如果
pass
你係一
away,
個生意，你
you
係
can
咧
refer to
被
legal leave.
被
It's
關押，
called
而且
probate.
咧
So
嗰個
I'm not going to
生
talk about probate,
業主死咗，
but probate means
但
been
係咧
processed,
呢
or
個
if you're
生意咧
if
就
it's
可
sold
能
or
係被
whatever,
凍
have
結㗎啦，
person living
唔
behind
係
the
話呢個
assets,
凍結之後咧就
and the
冇辦法
state
再
has
攞
to
出嚟，
provide
只
the
不過係一個
necessary
好長、好
evidence
複
to
雜，
say you want
而
that,
且係好
because
昂
it's
貴
conveyed
嘅
to the
流
trust,
程嚟㗎
okay,
嚇。
if you have a bigger estate.
特
To
別
protect
係
your
如
business
果
and make sure
嚇
your people can care about and carry on.
咁啊，如果你有
If
好
you
多
pay
遺
income
產嘅話咧，咁
taxes
啊就變
and
得
place
更加
your
複
business
雜啦
assets
嚇。
into a trust,
咁啊，如果你將你
then
生意上邊嘅嗰啲
this
財
is
產
being
咧，即
managed
係
by
一
a
個
trustee.
信託咧，咁啊係呢個
So
受託人咧係可以喺
trustees
呢度管理
act to
嘅。
ensure that the owner's plans for business are carried out. So a trustee
呢一個受
is
託
an
人咧，
agent with a power of attorney, right? Power of attorney, you
或者
designate
一個
an
代理
agent
人
or an
咧，
attorney, in fact. And then
或者一個事實
a
代理人
revocable
咧，
trust, you designate a trustee. Two different, they can be, a trustee can also
咁啊呢
manage
個
a business.
呢個受託人都可
Sometimes
以管理你嘅
a
生
trustee
意
can。just be someone who you trust, and that trustee can
咁啊
designate
有時
someone
咧
to
呢
focus
個
and manage business for
受
you.
託人咧都可以係你一個
Or
信得
your
過嘅
end
人，
business
係代替你，係你唔能夠嘅時候幫你去打理你嘅
in
生
terms of
意
your。wishes. And if you don't leave any wishes, the
如果你係冇
trustee
遺囑嘅話咧， 你呢個受託人呢，佢有好多個佢佢都有法律嘅義務咧，可以咧係代表你去同你嘅嗰個受益人去處理嘅嘢。
For instance, if they take something, if they embezzle money, that's effectively a crime. If they sell the business for $2,000 when it's
如果咧，如果受託人咧將你一個價值20萬嘅生意賣咗2萬蚊咧，佢就可能有可能就已經係即係一種叫做過失嘅嗰個行為嚇。去整呢個可撤銷嘅信託咧，你係要喺你個律師嘅幫助之下去做呢件事㗎嚇。咁啊，個律師先會講俾你聽咧，你個
Also, if that, let's see here. Oh yeah, this is the difference between so a trustee is not always going to be a great business manager.
受託人咧，唔係話總會係一個非常之叻嘅管理生意嘅人嚇。
But by then, you and the trustee will have communication, hopefully by telephone or other means, right? Even if you're in detention. Okay, so that's revocable trust. Save your questions for that. We're going to move on to the third thing, the third tool, and it's 505, and we're going to be done with this very shortly, okay, in about 10 minutes, and then we're going to have about 15 minutes of questions, and I'm happy to take
Okay.
go over that as well.
OK，咁我哋有差唔多再講10分鐘咧，我就留15分鐘俾大家提問㗎嚇。
These are clauses or articles or this is language that you need to have in
呢個叫做繼承規劃㗎嚇。咁啊，你需要有呢啲法律上嘅文件。如果你係一個獨資經營嘅嗰個，或者你係
similar to an LLC. If you are in a general partnership, you should have something called a partnership agreement, whether you have one partner or 2 or 3 or 4. And if you don't,
無論你有一個定係2個定係3個4個
effectively, as soon as you start doing business with someone else, you start providing a service or selling a good with a partner.
無論你係提供服務定係賣啲產品
for a business, whether you have a business name or not, you have a business. You just created a general partnership. And if that person is sued, you can be jointly and severally liable as well, and vice versa. Okay, so you should have a general partnership in case there's a disagreement or in case you're no longer around, who's going to take your place. In the case of an LLC, you have a
咁啊，如果係佢係叫做 LLC。
corporation, you have a document called the bylaws. The bylaws will indicate what happens.
真係我真係好唔聽唔明。
So those 3 tools that I mentioned are going to
今日咧有細就係
the business owners how to run the
咁啊，都係書面嘅嗰個
or maybe it goes under how to sell the business, how to wind up the business, and all of these different steps. But why am I saying this? Because
我點解會咁樣講啊？
what you want to happen with your share of the business or your interest in the business.
因為其實佢哋係講到咧係叫做有限嘅嗰個股份有限公司嚇。咁啊，呢個有限責任嘅公司咧，如果你係冇咁啊，如果你係冇將你指定嘅百分比嘅話咧，根據法律咧，你係有%，即係你同你個拍檔係50-50分嘅，一人一半嘅嚇。
But in a partnership agreement, you can designate that, well, I put in $90,000, this other person put in $10,000 into the formation of the business.
咁啊咧，如
I
果我
took
係
on
擠咗9萬，
90%
嗰個人咧
and
佢攞咗
10% of it.
1萬蚊，咁啊
Then
咧
once
我係應該要90%晒，佢只係10%咯。
assets or interest, right? You could also have a clause that if you're no longer around or if you're missing, whether it's
咁啊，
due to
如果你可以
passing
加個
or
條
death,
款，
or maybe you were removed from the country and you can no longer participate actively in the
你可以
business,
加呢個條款喺上
what
邊。
happens? Do you want someone else to step into your shoes? Maybe you don't. Maybe
如
you're
果你
a,
唔見咗或者俾移民局拉咗，你想唔想有人係代替
no one else
你
is going to step into your
去
shoes. So
管理
maybe
你個
you
生意
want
咧？
to share, you want to sell your share of the business, and maybe the business is worth $150,000, and your share is 50%, that's 75%.
咁
So
啊，
you
如果你
want
係
you to have a right of first refusal. So you want your partner to
哦
buy you out if you are no longer available, or
哦，
maybe
咁
you
啊，你
want
可以咧
partner to
有一個
buy you
優
out,
先
and
嘅
then
購買
who does it
權。
pay? How is your share valued? Have you guys valued the business every year, recurrently, to ensure that the value is current every single year, right? Or how are you going to value it? These are all the things.
嘅你可以叫你個拍檔將呢個係將你個股權買咗佢。
And
如果
there's some statutory language that
嗯
already exists in a typical
咁啊咧
agreement
有
basis,
上
right?
譬如無論係
That
委
you
授權
as a
書或者係
as a
信
defendant
託
to your life.
上面都已經有咗嗰個法定嘅語言，都已
Well,
經
it doesn't matter
係
because obviously if
喺
you're
嗰度
sitting
好
there
長久噶啦嚇。
and there's no plan in place, your business could stall, your clients could walk, maybe you have contracts with vendors, right? And your partners or family could be left in legal limbo. Succession planning allows your business to keep moving
我
forward.
哋啱啱講到嘅繼承嘅規劃咧，係可以幫助你哋咧預防有好多即係依家係見唔到啲問題咯。你要考慮到你個承包商、你個即係你個叫做合同工，甚至乎提供即係你供應商你個客人，所有嘅嗰方面你都要考慮到。
Who's going to have authority to access your bank accounts?
咁啊咧，我哋都係有咧叫做繼承規劃裏邊嘅條款嚇，你係可以
because they have all these internal forms. Financial institutions have internal forms, and it's best to do what they want. Otherwise, you're just going to you're going to be in bureaucratic limbo. It's very frustrating. What are the decisions that someone's going to make if you're not around?
咁樣咧，如果你係呢個繼承規劃嘅條款裏邊咧，你可以寫咧，係你唔喺度嘅時候咧，邊個可以
So what if you're just in detention for 2 weeks? What if you're in detention for 1 day? Can this person sell your interest in the business in that 1 day, or do you want to give it some time?
咁啊咧，意思即係話你上邊嘅嗰個條款可以講咧，係由邊個人幫你做邊方面嘅決定啊？
The day-to-day operations of the business due to an immigration situation such as for 90 days or more, then this other partner can take action. But 1 day, it's unreasonable, right? So employment and role protections for family.
咁樣咧，你仲可以有即係俾你家庭嘅嗰個僱傭嘅佢哋嘅角色。
Don't have a prenuptial agreement, and your business is considered community property. Your spouse may need to sign some of them as well.
你可以係即係可以提供家庭嘅就業保護嚇。
Obviously, tax compliance. Who's going to file your taxes? Renew
咁樣咧係有邊個遵守嗰個
your business license or your health department license with the city. or
邊個咧就
whatever license,
就
right? And
即係點講啦？
the officer is gonna
係
have to
嗰
show
個
documentation
意
showing
思
that they're author
係啦，
of
邊個係
such
報
service.
稅？點樣可以做到咧？唔違反嗰個稅務法？
So that's really it. I could show you examples, but I just don't think they're necessary. And besides,
我
let's see
可以
here.
俾你哋睇啲例子，但係其實咧唔係話好，即係一定